Mastering the kitchen, fill the piping bag, explained. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a phrase that's essential for both baking enthusiasts and English language learners. Fill the piping bag. This might sound straightforward, but there's more to it than meets the eye. Stick around to master this kitchen jargon and add another useful phrase to your English vocabulary. Before we learn how to fill it, let's understand what a piping bag is. A piping bag is a conical-shaped bag, often made from cloth, paper, or plastic, used in cooking and baking. It's designed to pipe semi-solid foods by pressing them through a narrow opening at one end, often fitted with various nozzles to create specific patterns. Piping bags are most commonly used for decorating cakes, forming cream swirls, or even piping mashed potatoes. To fill the piping bag means to put a semi-solid food item inside the bag so it can be easily squeezed out through the nozzle for decorating or shaping purposes. This phrase is not only literal but also carries the essence of preparation and creativity in cooking. It's about preparing your tools to create something beautiful or delicious. 1. Choose the right nozzle for your design and attach it to the bag. 2. Fold over the top of the bag to create a cuff, giving you a clean area to grip and fill. 3. Spoon your filling into the bag. It's important not to overfill. Halfway is usually enough. 4. Unfold the cuff and twist the top of the bag to secure the filling. 5. Gently squeeze the bag to start the flow of filling before you begin your decoration. Consistency is key. Ensure your filling is the right consistency, not too firm and not too runny. Practice makes perfect. Practice with different nozzles and fillings to understand how they behave. Keep it clean. Wipe the nozzle clean as you work to maintain crisp lines in your designs. Filling a piping bag is a fundamental skill in both baking and culinary arts, symbolizing the preparatory work behind the scenes that leads to the final, beautiful creations. We hope this video has not only taught you about the phrase, fill the piping bag, but also inspired you to try your hand at decorating with one. Happy baking, and see you in the next video.